Okay, so here we are. Can you look and see if am I blocking the camera?
No.
Okay, thanks. So here's my little program I made. We're going to do a loop, so in this case we're going to do 100 of these. And what I'm doing is I'm using the function mod, which finds the remainder when you divide by a certain number. So one way of saying a number is even is saying when I divide by 2 there's no remainder, right? So Conway's thing said if the number was even, so this just says mod A2 is equal to 0, that means it's even. Then we multiplied by 3 and divided by 2. Remember 2x went to 3x?
Yeah.
Okay. So if this is 2x, multiplied by 3 I get 6x, divided by 2 I get back to 3x. Okay. Now if I look at the remainder and I divide by 4 and that's 1, that was if the number is 4x plus 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? Then I turn it into 3x plus 1. Okay. So first I have to subtract 1 away to get back to 4x.
And then,
remember it was 4x plus 1?
Yeah.
Then divide by 4.
And 1.
Multiply by 3. Add 1. Otherwise, the only remaining case is that it's 4x minus 1. So then I do that math there. So the math isn't that hard to do, actually. And so I'm going to run it 100 times. And then what I do is I'm going to make a sound table with these numbers. Okay?
Cool.
All right. So why don't you pick a starting number?
Let's pick 20.
20. Okay, let's pick 20 and we'll run it 100 times. And here's my sound table. And what I've done to make in my sound table is I've made the sound length a random number from 1 to 10, just so it's not da 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 da.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? You ready to hear what 20 sounds like in this A musical version?
Wow. That sounds kind of weird.
What do you think?
I didn't know you could hear 20.
This is 20.
Wow.
You like this song?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll stop the 20 song. What number do you want to start with?
Let's do 125.
Okay. Ready for this?
Yeah. Let's see what it sounds like.
Whoa, this looks interesting. This is going to be a bunch of low notes right in a row. You hear all those low notes?
Yeah, I didn't know numbers had sounds.
You didn't know? You didn't know numbers had sounds?
I wonder what one sounds like.
Well, I can check that. The one thing I forgot to mention is I'm taking the numbers mod 12 again.
Yeah.
So I'm just keeping them inside of 1 octave. Really, these numbers grow forever. At least that's what they think, right? So the pitches would get higher and higher and higher, so I didn't want to do that.
Until you can't really hear them.
So you want to see what the number 1 sounds like in this musical variation?
Yeah. Let's see. This is going to be 1 note.
And remember, 4 was a loop too?
Yeah.
So you can see the loop.
Yeah.
But see, close your eyes and see if you can hear the loop.
I hear it. Yeah.
Now it's not a perfect loop on the sound because I made the length random.
Yeah.
But if I get rid of that random length thing, now you'll hear the loop perfectly.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
This is pretty neat. So we could make a song out of any number.
Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job this morning, guys. High five. High five.